The 2-day SolidWorks Weldment class is the best way to quickly learn how to leverage this advanced toolset. Here's a breakdown of what you learn. You first get started with Weldment features. Learn the basics like groups, gussets, trim, and extend, and then learning the fundamentals of how to work with weldments like managing your weldment library and even using cut lists and profiles. Then we get into the advanced features like configurations, curves, and detailing weldments with graphical welds and even creating 2D shop drawings. Then we go beyond traditional weldments to learn how to use structure systems, which was introduced in 2019 as an additional way to create welded systems. It's a powerful framework you can leverage to build complex frames faster and with even more design flexibility. And that's it. In 2 jam-packed days, you learn all you need to master this toolset so you can get your designs done faster.